Okay. Wow!
Look at this.
Wow, ikaw nagsulat niyan? You write this one? Okay. Sige. For today,
What? That's blue.
yes, that's blue.
I love blue.
You love blue.
Yeah.
Okay.
After.
Okay, this one. For today, we are going to write it, Kuya, in black. Okay? We will start again with W, Kuya. Okay. I want you to hold the pen, Kuya. Okay.
Open the door.
Okay. We will open the door for the truck. O, sige, go. This one muna.
I think it's waiting.
It's waiting.
And open the door.
Yes po. Sige, this one. Start with this one. That one. Very good. Tama. Next. Ay, Kuya. Okay. Jump. Okay, next. Very good. Okay, tama. That's L. Ay. Sige, next, Kuya. And na naman. Yes. J, 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 J. Okay. Yan. Very good. Okay. Okay, next, Kuya.
Naked eye.
Opo, it's Wicked Eye. Okay? Okay? Next.
Around. Wait.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot.
Okay, Jesus. Okay, T. Okay.
T.
Next, N. N, Kuya. Yan, very good. That's how you do it, T. N, Kuya. This one.
Where is it?
Where is it where?
Oh, look at there.
Oh, come
In
here.
the house.
It's in the house. Ali, come here. Wala pa. You almost finished na.
There's more. There's more. Sakay, sakay.
Sige. N na naman. N. Very good. You're doing great, Kuya. N. This one. N. N. Tapos, you do that one. Yan. You're always doing it. Ayan. You do that one. Very good. Next, E, Kuya. E, 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 E. E. Very good. Next, R. R, R. Okay, this one. R. R. R, R. Very good. Next, W. W.
Long diaper.
Yes, small W.
Bigger diaper.
Oh, that's big W. How about R? R, R, R.
Small
Very
R.
good. Next,
Long R.
this one. E, E, E. Yan. Next, N, Kuya. Very good. Next, C, C, C. Next, E, E, E. Very good. E. Next, big E. Big E. Big E, 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 E. Next, G, G, G. G, 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 G.
Why turn on the aircon?
No, you are turning on the aircon? Or na kaya?
Look.
Wow, what is that one?
Water.
Water.
That's where water
Oh.
is one.
Next, R, 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 R. Very good. Next, A. That's A. N. N. Very good. A, A, A. Oops, don't overlap it, Kuya. In this one, teacher will help you. Okay.
Shack, shack.
Opo.
Shack, shack.
Okay, look at this one. A, A, A. This one, Kuya. D. Look at this one. D, D, D. This one. A, A, A. Ay, don't do that one, Kuya. Yan, that one. Okay, this one. For today, before you are going to write to your next name, Kuya, teacher will massage your hand. Teacher will massage your hand so that your hand will have the power, Kuya, to write. Okay, teacher will massage your hand. So that if you are going to write this one, Kuya, you have the power na to write your name. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Oh,
go.
that's you one.
Yes, that's new one. That is Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Okay?
Spider-Man.
Oh.
Spider-Man.
Come here, come here. Spider-Man. Okay.
Oh,
Mm.
there's a hole.
There's a hole. Sit down.
In there. And under.
Mm.
Oh no.
Sige. Put it there. Now, since teacher already massaged your head, we are going to write again, Kuya, your name for the second time. Okay, hold this pencil, Kuya. Okay. We are going to do I.
I think she go back.
Go back na yung chord dyan. This one, I na kuya, I. That one, follow this one, I. This one kuya, I. Yan. Yan, very good. Next, how about T?
Few one.
Yes po. This one, T. T, T. Yan, T kuya. Very good. Next, this is E. E, E. E, 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 E. Yan. R, 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 R. Next. L, L, L. Very good. A, 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 W. Okay na. W, 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 W. Very good. R, 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 R. E, 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 E. N, 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 N. C, C, C. Very good. E, 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 E. E na big. It's big na E. G, 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 G. R, 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 R.
Tiger.
A, A, A. That's N. Very good.
You're wrong.
A, 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 A. D, 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 D. A, 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 A. Okay, teacher will massage your hand. Teacher already massage your hand. We are going to do next stop. Okay, the third line. Third line na of your name, Kuya Winter. Third line of your name. The third line. Sige. Oh, they crush to each other? Sige. The third line for your name, Kuya. This truck is afraid of this truck because this truck is big.
Yeah.
Okay. Sige. We are going to do the third line of your name.
Look at that.
So that you will get a free massage, Teacher Charles. Third line. W, 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 W. That's big W, W. Ayos kuya, W. Ay, okay. Let's massage your hand kuya because you didn't get it right. Okay, sige. We will do the correct W for the last na row. Last row kuya. This one, this W. Sige kuya. So that you will get a free massage with Teacher Charles. Sige. W, look at this one. We are going to write this one correctly, kuya. This big W. W, yan, that's I. This one, W. Very good. Next, I. N, N. I don't overlap. N, N, N. I. Very good. I. Oops, don't do it, kuya, na straight, kuya. Okay. Next, N. Sige, N, N, N. Where are you going? You will get another card na naman. Why? Sir, isa lang ha, tapos balik ka agad. Only choose one. Choose one. Okay na yan. Okay, choose na yan. We are going to choose that one. Ali, come here na. Ali, come here na.
There's more.
There's more. Well, come here. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Okay. You have a lot of cars na kuya.
What's wrong?
Okay. There's no wrong kuya doing the cars. Okay. So this one. Before you are going to connect this piece to this one, you are going to write your name first. Write your name kuya. This one. Write your name.
This okay?
Opo. Sige. This one. Hold this one muna first.
Wait. Okay, okay.
Don't use that one because that's big, kuya. That's big. This one lang.
I will use this one, okay?
No, use this one, kuya. Use this one muna. I will let you... This one. That's T. 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 That's T, that's T, that's T. That's E, that's E. That's E, that's E, that's E. That's R, that's R. That's R, that's R, that's R. That's L, that's L. That's A. That's very good. That's W, 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 W. That's R, that's R. That's R, that's R, that's R. That's E, that's E. That's N, N, N. That's N. That's C, that's C. That's C, that's C, that's C. That's E, that's E. That's E, that's E, that's E. Next. That's G, G. Oh, last na. Oh, you're almost finished. You're almost finished na. Oh, this one. Oh, sige. Oh, hold it. Oh, that's G. Dito ka start. That's G. Very good. That's R. That's R. That's R. That's R. That's R. That's A. That's N. That's N. Ay, so you want to be a dog, kuya? Because ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, sige. Sige, you will get a free massage with Teacher Charles because you follow the instruction of Teacher Charles very well. Sige.
I can't.
You can't get that one?
It's not.
It's lock, kuya. We cannot use this one because it's lock. Okay, it's lock. Dahil, try natin. It's locked also. We cannot use it, kuya. So this is the only option that we have because it's easy to open. Okay. Sige. This one. We are going to write the T. That's T. That's T. You want this one? The big one? Okay, cover this one.
Small one.
Sige. That's L. That's L. That's L. That's L. Wow. Yes, that's big. Hold it properly. That one. That's A. That's A. That's A. That's A. That's A. That's next. That's W. 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 That's R. R. You write it properly. Write it properly, kuya. This one. Uy, what are you doing? Are you a fish? This one. That's R. That's R. Okay, wait lang. Massage mo yung teacher ang hand mo because you are writing it. Oy, no, kuya. Don't hold it, kuya. It is positioned there.
Video.
No, there's no video, kuya. Okay, this one. We are going to, this one, this one, the teacher will massage you because you have a bird in your forehead, kuya. Let's massage this one because you do a good job, kuya. That's E, that's E, that's E, that's E, that's E. That's E, that's E, that's E, that's E, that's E. You know how to sing that one? Sige. Try natin. You want me to massage your head? This one. Okay. That's E, that's E, that's E, that's E, that's E. Sige, Teacher Charles already massage your hair na. Sige. Okay na. Sige, we are going to do the next line of your name, kuya. Sige, complete that one faster.
That's a window.
Yes, that's a window. Complete that one first.
You can see there.
You can see there. That's the last na. That's the last piece that you are going to put, kuya, because we need to write your name pa. Okay?
That's a wall.
That's a wall, kuya.
Thanks.
Pinakalas na yan, ha?
It can.
It can't fit. With this one, we are going to move this one. Put this one first. Yan. That one. Next. Okay. So, it's already, Okay na, finish na. This one. Go. Sige, wait lang. That one. Next. That's at the top. Sige, we are going to push it. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ay, may ganun. Push. Yan.
It looks like house.
Sige. It's house na. Wait lang. Before you are going to touch the house, we are going to finish muna writing your name.
Hello.
Hello.
Open the door.
Open the door. Okay? We will get another na naman. Wala ba gani?
Small.
Small lang. Isa lang.
Where is he?
Isa lang. Get na. Isa lang.
Small toy.
Small. This one, ano na?
Is like this house?
Yes po. That is the house, kuya. Sige. Sige. This one, kuya. We are pasok. This one. L. Hold this one. Hold this one.
Look at there.
That's the house, kuya. This one.
She likes it.
Look at this one muna. Go. That's L. That's L. That's L. That's L. That's L. Next. That's. You write it, kuya, properly. Write it properly, kuya. Okay.
No, yes, that.
Go. That's E. Oops. Why are you circling your name? Don't circle your name, kuya. But instead, write your name.
Lauren's gonna die. It's something.
No. This one, kuya, listen to Teacher Charles. No, don't get that one, kuya.
Look there.
Yes, that is Spider-Man. This one. This one. This one, kuya, teacher will say something. This one, this part, kuya, listen. This part of your name, this is considered as winter lang, ha? When we say your name, kuya, winter, it doesn't mean that you read this one, Winter Lawrence Granatoy. Are you listening to Teacher Charles? Okay? This one, this part of your name, this is only winter. This one, Mrs. Lawrence na. The last part is Granada. Okay, ha?
This is a razor. Hindi not way. Good job.
Yes po. This is eraser. This is not a drawer, ha? Because you always keep saying this one drawer. This is eraser. Okay?
I think.
Okay. Sige, you want to try another color? You want to try another color? Where are you going? Dito ka? You want to try this one?
Okay.
I want you to sit down lang, baka mahulog ka. Sige, sit down. Okay, sige. We are going to write your name, ha? Because you don't want to see this one. So instead, we are going to write your name in here.
Wow.
Sige daw, be. Write
Wow,
winter.
it opened.
Wow, it opened na. Sige, go.
Yeah, but it not works this one.
Yes po. Sige, write your name. Winter. That's W. Sige. That's Lawrence. L. A, kuya. A.
Blue.
That's A. Very good. That's W. Very good. Next. That's I. Very good. N. This one. N. That one. And
T.
T. Okay. Next. This one, kuya,
Oh no.
R.
People.
And this one. R, kuya. Kuya, winter. This one. R. Very good. That's N. This is N. That's N. Next. I want you to do E.
Mommy help.
Teacher will help. E. That's E. Next. R. Very good. Very good. That's R. Next. A. No, kuya. This one. A. That's A, ha? Okay. What is this one? A.
So init.
Ay, it's so init. Ay, are you a vampire? Okay, that's A. Next, that's C.
It's so hot.
We are going to move our chair backwards, kuya, or we are going to move it in here. Come here. Because it's not hot in here. Okay, sige.
It's in there.
Okay, it's not in it.
Again.
There's a sun again. Okay, next.
Oh no.
Diba A?
No, bang.
Don't get another car na.
No, we're gonna let go.
Lego?
Oh
no. Don't go there na because it's locked. Okay. Isa lang. Faster, isa lang.
Where's my Lego?
Dito.
What's the sign of Lego?
Hey, faster, isa lang.
What the thing, where is it?
Oh, this one, oh. Considered na ito. Oh, come here na.
I want Lego.
What is Lego? What?
Here, here.
This one, teacher will provide you. Sit down there lang.
Lego, Lego.
Teacher will provide you.
Lego.
Yes po, Lego. I want you to sit down. This one, Lego. Sit down. Sit down here. Sit down lang.
Oh,
Sit down.
there's two.
Sige. Write your name muna. Write your name while teacher is waiting. Write your name. The another one is this one. This one. Sige. We are going to write your name na.
Cool.
That is suko. When we say suko, what does it mean? Angry. Okay? Sige. So for this one, kuya, again ha. Sige, we are going to erase this one. Okay. Sige.
Winter Lawrence ko na lang ako.
Very good. Winter Lawrence Granada. Okay? Sige.
Wait, there's a shadow.
There's a shadow. Okay, ha?
I forgot my tool.
You forgot your shadow?
Car.
Sige. Ito. Sige. Next. Sige, G, kuya. We are going to write your G na
Two
name,
cars.
kuya. That's 2 cars.
Follow car.
Sige. Hold this one. G, kuya. G. What is the G, kuya? This is letter G. I want you to follow G, kuya. G.
May help.
You want help,
Okay.
kuya? Sige, kuya. Teacher will offer help. That one. G. That's G, ha?
Okay.
Sige. Okay. Play ka. Isa lang. Follow that line. Very good. That's G. Sige. Okay na. Next. We are going to hold this one, kuya. Hold this pencil. Hold this pencil. Hold this marker. Hold this one.
You say pencil.
Yes. Next. R, kuya. R. What is the face of the R? Wait lang. This one, oh. R. Okay. So you draw that one. That one. That's R. Next. A na naman, kuya. Oh, wait lang. Hold it. Wait lang. A. Sige, wait lang. A, kuya. Hold this one. What is the face of A, or what is the this one?
We don't know.
A, kuya. A. Sulat A. What is that one? You draw your face na naman. Are you happy? Very good. Winter is happy. The hands of winter. Very good. That's how you draw your face. Now, try to draw, kuya, that winter is saying A. For example, just like this one, For example, you do this one. You were thinking. And we are going to put a box in here because you are saying A. Yan, you do that one. Kumbaga pa, you are saying, kuya, A. Sige, dabe. What if winter is trying to say G. This one. Kani dyan yung ano, ma'am.
What's right there?
Okay, sige, G. This one. We are going to follow this one again.
Sorry,
You listen. I'm watching now. You listen.
Sige. This one, G na.
Watching the window.
G na. You follow this one. G. That's G. G. That's G. Okay, ha? What if na naman, winter is saying W. Sige, ha? Why we can erase this one? Sige. Well, how about this one? We are saying W. This one. Sige. You erase that one? That's A. Next. What if winter is trying to say R? Sige. Draw a circle. Circle. Yan. What if winter is saying R, kaya R? What letter is that? O? What?
She say O.
O, O, O. Very good. O, 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 O. Next. What if winter is saying, ano kuya? E. E, 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 E. Ay, O lang pa rin? Di ba E is this one? Oh. What is that one?
That's mommy.
That's your mommy. Sige, wait lang. Erase natin muna kuya. We are going to erase some part of what you are saying. Now, we are going to sige. That's mommy. Sige, what if mommy is saying to you kuya? Okay.
Hair.
Hair. That's hair. What if saying mommy is saying to you T kuya? Right T. T T T. Right T. T T T T T T.
I want help.
T T T T T T T T T. That's T kuya. Okay. Next, what if you are saying kuya D? Sige daw be, D. We are going to draw a circle. D. D, 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 D. That's D, ha? Okay?
She say, Mommy.
Your mom is saying, winter, it's T, T, T. Tapos you are saying, no, it's T, 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 T. What if, this is Teacher Charles, and Teacher Charles is saying to you, kuya, winter, you are going to say, you are going to write, kuya, A. Sige, write A. 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 A.
Oh.
Yeah, that's A. 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 That's A, ha? A. 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 That's A. Tapos, here comes your dad. Your dad. What if your dad is trying to say to you, kuya, L? Sige daw, be? Go. What if your dad is saying, winter, write L? Go. Sige. Sige, go. Write a circle, big circle there. Write L daw. L. How do you write L? This one, This one. This is L. Write L. Write L there. L, L, L.
Mommy help.
Go. L, 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 L. Yan, that's L. What if your ate is saying, kuya, write your ate.
Where's up?
Dito si ate. What if your ate are trying to say to you that,
Big.
your ate is big? Sige. What if your ate say to you, winter, try to say, C. But this one, kuya, this is C. C. Dito say, that one. Can you write a circle there? Write C. This one, follow this one. C. 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 Yan, that one. C. C. Isa pa. Ay, that's baliktad na C. Okay, so we are all finished na. This is your daddy. This is...
I think she say O.
Oh, okay. How about your lola or nanay? Nanay. Sige, write nanay. What if your nanay is saying... Or kuya? Sige, nanay. Alright, nanay. Okay. Sige, we will erase this one na. We will write a new chapter, kuya, of your name, kuya. Sige. You are getting another na naman. Isa lang. Faster. Isa lang. Only one. Let's go. Sit down there. Sige.
It looks like a truck.
It looks like a truck. That is a truck, kuya. Sit down na.
It's a bigger truck.
That's a bigger truck. Okay. Next, kuya.
That's a big car.
That's a big car. Okay.
Look there, there's a wheel.
We are going to use a different color, kuya, ha? Because I think we are finished now with color black. Now, we are going to write your name, kuya, but in the shade of color red, kuya. Okay? So, we are going to write your name, kuya. Write your name, kuya. This one. Sige, follow that one. That's E. That's E. That's E. That's... you want the big one? Sige, go. That's E. That's E. That's E. That's E. That's E. Very good. That's E. Next, G. G. This one, G, kuya. G. 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 Very good. Next, R. 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 Very good. Next, A. 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 Next. And that's N. Very good. That's A. Very good. Ay, wag overlap. Okay, this one, you didn't
But
write
it's so
D pa.
hard.
It's so hard. Oh, that is why teacher is saying to you that you are going to use the smaller one. Okay. Sige na, D na. Ay, you will get another na naman. Isa lang. Faster. Isa lang. This one, you want this one? Ay na. Come here.
Look at this. That's a truck.
Oh, that's a truck. Sit down.
This is a dinosaur truck.
Dinosaur truck. Ay, it's ano ko ya? The truck is eating the paper.
Yeah, but she's hungry.
Hungry. Okay, this one, kuya. I want you to write, kuya. L, kuya. Sige na. This one. A.
Looks like a bird.
It's not a bird, kuya. It's a bell. Okay, this one, A. Sige, A. I don't do that one. Teacher, we are going to write it properly, kuya, ha? Okay, hold it properly. Hold it properly. Sige, this one. Sige, wait lang, kuya. Okay. The truck is looking at you. Yeah, the truck is saying, Winter, write your name properly.
6, 7.
The truck is saying that one.
6.
That is why you are going to write your name properly. That's R. That's E, Winter. That's N, Winter. That's C. This is E. This is E. Hold this one properly. We're going. You want to drink water? Teacher will get your water. Come here. Drink mo na your water. That one. Okay na yan. Only one. Hey, come here na. Only one. Only one.
It's a filter.
That's a filter. Okay.
Look at this. It's a big scoop.
That's a big scoop. The driver is, you will get naman another one. Stop getting na.
Truck. A cart truck.
A car truck. So go.
Ay-ya.
That one. Sit down na, ha. Don't get any more cars na. Sit down there. Sige. So for this one, you're going to let this one down. Okay. So you are going to transfer all of the letters in here, kuya. So before you can transfer the letters in here, you need first to write your name so that this truck can get the letter. For example, this one, kuya, you are going to get this letter because this is already red na, kuya. Get that letter, you transfer it to the truck. Okay, I want you to write more letters pa, kuya, so that you have something to transfer, kuya. Sige, we are going to write your name, kuya. Yes, okay. This one. A, kuya, A. This is A. Look at this one. A. This is already red na. Get this one. Get that one and you are going to transfer it, kuya. You already get it? Next, W na naman. Very good. That's W. Drink your water. You love drinking water?
Yeah, but
Why
it's
you
so
love?
cold.
It's so cold. Why you love drinking water? Pinakalas na. Pinakalas. The only last na ito, ha? You want this one? Ito. See. Go. Alin na, stop na. Isa lang.
I saw cover. I saw cover.
This is a cover. Okay. Sige.
It
Okay.
looks like a chain. It looks like a screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Okay. Sige. This one, kuya, we are going to put it down here.
Papa.
Okay. Sige.
Sige.
So for this one,
A big train faster.
Sige. This one, kuya. What? This one, kuya. The letters is saying to you, winter, right? So that we will ride the train, kuya. So you have a lot of customers, kuya, that are not shaded properly. So you are going to shade, kuya, so that you have a lot of customers, kuya. Go there. So this one, I want you to write, kuya, your name, kuya. This one, so that you have a lot of customers, kuya. This one, A, go. A, very good. Look at this one. Next, this is W.
Look at the train is dancing.
The train is dancing. It's not possible, kuya, that the train is dancing because you didn't finish writing Arpa, this one. This one. Look at this one,
It
kuya.
was like that.
Tingin dito. Look at in here. This is E. Next, after E.
Wow.
Wow. You're right, that one. This is N. Okay. Next, this is C. You're holding the hand of teacher. Okay.
There, that's how.
That's C po. Get only one lang.
Eating.
Isa.
Tractor.
Okay.
Look at this. It's so big.
Yes, it's so big. Okay.
Also, in it here.
Halika come here. That one.
Huh?
You don't want in it, kuya?
Yeah, look at this.
This one. Sige. This one, we are going to write your G, kuya. This is G. Look at this one. Because you are finished with G. Now you are going to write R, kuya.
Like this.
That one, you are coloring, you are tracing the truck, kuya. Don't trace the truck, kuya. Okay. Sige. Wait lang. This one, hold this one. Hold this one properly.
Cover and it's dark.
Cover and it's locked.
Yeah.
Mm.
Let's try
Ah.
it.
It opened. Sige, go. I want you to write, kuya? I want you to write G. I want you to write G first. I want you to write G first. That's the truck, ha? G, kuya.
Truck.
That's the truck. You know, kuya, the spelling of truck? The truck has a T and the R, kuya, which is part of your name, kuya. Okay. What is that one?
Seat.
The seat?
And then it's like a tractor.
This one, kuya, teacher will teach you how to draw a truck. First, wait lang. Wait for teacher. This one, you draw this one. You do that one. You do that one.
This is a big tractor.
That is a big tractor.
What is that? What kind of one? Of big wheels. Big wheels.
Mm. Mm.
And then and I think here the engine.
The engine. Let's try to write the engine. This is where the engine. This is the light, kuya, of the truck. Sige. So this one, we are going to continue to write your name, kuya. Sige. So this one, teacher has a challenge to you, kuya. Okay? You want to know the challenge? You want to know the challenge?
Yeah, look, it's like this one.
Yes, it's just like this one, kuya. Okay, so our challenge, kuya, is we are going to...
Look,
what is that?
there's no long light.
There's no long light. It's okay lang, kuya. But the challenge for you, kuya, is you are going to write your last name. What is your last name, Gane? Kuya, what is your last name? What is your last name? Your last name is Granada. Okay, ha? What is your first name? Winter. Your second name? Lawrence. What is your last name? Granada. Okay, ha? It's Granada. Okay. For this one, kuya, Stop writing na. That is all the, ano kaya, wheels. Okay? That's all na the wheels. Sige. Very good. You do that one. Okay. Sige. Teacher has a challenge to you. Whatever teacher writes, kuya, na letter, you are going to follow it, ha? Okay?
You said,
We are going to start with letter G, kuya.
It's like a tractor.
I want you to follow this letter. Sige, dabe, follow that letter.
Bro.
Follow that letter, kuya. Follow that letter, G. Yan, G. Very good. Next. How about, wait lang, follow this one. Follow this one, R. Follow this letter. Kuya, follow this letter, kuya. R. Ay, stop smiling. Why are you keep doing smiling? R, kuya. Okay, this one.
Airs.
That's air. So, how about this one? Follow this one. This is R. Okay? Kuya, winter. Kuya, winter. Follow this R. Yan, R. Okay ha? Next. A.
6, 7.
Okay, this one, A. This one. Follow this A, kuya. Follow that A. Follow this A. Winter. Follow this A. Write this A. Follow this A. Natamaan mo si Teacher Charles.
So hard.
Kuya, natamaan mo si Teacher Charles.
I just want.
Kuya, you hit Teacher Charles. Sige, this one, A.
There's a door closed.
Sige, only one lang. Go. Choose that one. Only one. Okay. Sige, this one. This is a Coast Guard.
Coast Guard.
That is a Coast Guard. You know what's a Coast Guard do, kuya? You know what's the job of the Coast Guard?
There's a house.
This one.
Oh, go outside. Hey, go up. Where are you? Inja.
That's Indra.
Hi.
Okay. Sige. So this one, kuya, as you can see, there is a letter. What letter is this one?
C O A. This E
T.
G
G.
U
U.
A
A.
R
R.
E
D.
D.
How do you read this one? Coast Guard.
Coast Guard.
Okay, Coast Guard. Okay, so I want you to follow these letters, kuya. Sige. We are going to follow these letters, kuya.
Hey, we were doctor.
This one. This is the driver. This is the passenger. The passenger is angry. Because, why is the driver, kuya, driving fast? Sige. This one, kuya. Okay? I want you, kuya, to follow, kuya, these letters, kuya, that we have, kuya. Okay. This one, this is a display, kuya. We are going to follow these naming, kuya. This one, I want you to follow this one. C. Go. Follow this one. Kuya. C. This one. Sige. Follow this one properly. C. This one, kuya. C. Sige, write this one. Follow this one. Follow this one. C. You want that one? Sige, go. Open that one.
Wow, that's so nice.
Sige.
Whoa.
This one. Apo. Sige, follow this one. Letter C.
Whoa.
C. This one, kuya. It works. This one. Follow this C.
What is that?
Yes po.
What is this?
Diyan dinalagay ang ink. C. C. Don't push it. C, kuya. Hold this one properly. This one. This one. C. Very good. That's C. Next, O, kuya. O. O. We are going to write O. O, 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 O. Next, A, kuya. A, 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 A. That's A, kuya. Okay? Next, sa Granada naman, kuya, we are going to start with G. This is G. Okay, ha? How about R, kuya? R. R. Look at this one. This is R. Next, kuya. D. You know how to write small d, kuya? The small d is this one. Okay. This one, teacher will get the paper, kuya. This one. We are going to write your name. Oh, come here, kuya. Come here. Come here. We are going to write your name, kuya. Drink water. You want to drink water?
It's so heavy.
It's so?
That is not so heavy.
So, hey.